Do you want to give your clients that wow effect that makes them talk about you to everyone they know? Today, I'll show you 9 quick and effective techniques to build empathy, increase the perceived value of your work, and make your presentations unforgettable. Let's get started. Use video materials. Whenever you design an interior, you almost always end up placing a TV in the living room, dining room, or even in the bedroom. If your final output is a still image, apply an emissive material and use the client's favorite series, sport, or movie as a texture. And if you're preparing a video or virtual tour, go one step further. Use video materials and load an actual video file. This tiny detail has a massive impact. Your clients will never forget your presentation. Configurations. Material changes. Configurations are perfect for showing all the finishes the client is unsure about. Floors, walls, color, textures, furniture, and so on. Whatever they may want to compare, in just a few minutes you can load dozens of materials, organize them properly, and let your client pick their favorite combination using full screen mode. This is one of the easiest ways to involve them and make them feel part of the creative process. Configurations, 3D variants. Beyond materials, configurations let you present multiple versions of the same room. Some people create entirely different design concepts, but I simply prefer to swap 3D models. Same space, different style. With a couple of clicks, your client watches the environment transform in real time. Configurations, lights on and off. Last configuration trick. Create a lights on, lights off setup using material switch and visibility. Stage 1. Hidden light and non-emissive materials. Stage 2. Visible light and emissive materials. And if you want to take even further, place the 3D trigger on the wall socket. Clients love it, and it takes literally 5 minutes to set up. If you don't know how to use configurations yet, click here for my complete video tutorial or check the video linked in the description. Panorama sets. Instead of showing your project through static renders or videos, create a visual tour with panoramas. Generate all the viewpoints that you want to show, then export them as a panorama set if you have a paid Twinmotion license, or export them locally and use a free 360 degrees viewer. The result is incredibly immersive, especially because your client can explore the project on any device just by opening a link. Use rotators to animate doors. When presenting a project, walking through doors like a ghost doesn't feel very realistic. It's much better when your doors open automatically as you approach them. Using the rotator from the Twinmotion library, you can animate every door in seconds. It's a small touch, but it makes your presentation feel far more polished. Use real furniture models. If your work also includes selecting real furniture or decor items, try to include the exact 3D models your clients expect to see in real life. Most brands now offer free, high-quality 3D models online, but if you can't find the item you want, you can generate the model using AI, starting from a simple image. I made a dedicated video about this. Click here or check the link in the description. Add people. There is nothing more effective for empathy than seeing yourself inside the project. Twinmotion includes hundreds of 3D people ready to drop into your scene. In a few clicks, you can recreate the client's family, co-workers, friends, whoever they want. And if you want a better video quality, you have 2 options. Enhance the silhouettes, exporting characters with layer tools, and then using external AI websites. Or use the new static motion blur to simulate real movement. Geolocate your project. Geolocation is one of the Twinmotion's most underrated tools, but also one of the most powerful for emotional impact. Simulate how natural light hits the surfaces through the day and turn it into a short animation. It takes 4 clicks, but the client will instantly feel the realism. And now I'm curious, do you already use some of these techniques to make your clients fall in love with your projects? Or do you have other suggestions? That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you very soon. Ciao!